hole in it.
What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. We're doing lava ball. So let's do this. I'm just gonna hold the camera. So yeah, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, lava ball. Oh, gosh, we have 2 lives, by the way. Oh, shoot, it hit me. It hit me.
Oh, one hit me, to be honest. Oh, crap. You're going after me.
Oh gosh. Oh, we had a really good bounce back.
Oh, crap. All right, I'm done.
You last?
That was dumb. I just ran at him.
Okay, round 2. We're doing best 3 out of 5. So
Oh, that smells good.
who's? Oh shoot, it hit me.
Someone's grilling burgers.
It smells delicious, guys. Oh shoot, it hit me. 1 Nicky. That's
Oh, I know it's hit me.
okay. So round 3. It's tied 1-1. 3, 2, 1, go. Dang it, it hit me. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, it hit me.
Shoot. All right.
It hit me too.
Oh, it's starting to rain again.
Woo! Guys, it's raining. So yeah, it's Aiden's winning 1-2. So 3, 2, 1, go!
Comment on this video.
Comment on
Your
this.
favorite.
Yeah. Comment Cullen. Cullen's cool.
Comment.
Aiden had like 3 girlfriends this year.
Nuh-uh.
Ooh.
To be fair, everybody said that they were my girlfriend.
Cause you were.
No, they weren't. Oh,
Oh, that hit you twice. 2-2.
wait, I thought we were doing 3 rounds. Oh, you lost.
No.
Do another one.
That was 1.
Cheater, Cullen. No!
That's 1.
You both got 1, y'all.